It's never been more expensive to take a bite out of the Big Apple. New York now ranks as the world's most expensive city to live and work in, according to a new study. As pretty much any New Yorker knows, rents for both residential and office properties in New York remain high. The total cost to live and work in the city as of July 2016, $114,010 a year, up 2% from December of last year. The study, which examines the cost for an employee to live in rented housing and work in an office for a year, was conducted by British property broker Savills. Hong Kong nabs the number 2 position, notching a total live-work cost of $100,984. London, which was the world's most expensive city for the last 2.5 years, has fallen to the 3rd position. The city's drop in the rankings is linked to Britain's recent vote to leave the European Union, which pushed the sterling down and cooled the UK real estate market. Total cost to live and work in London, $100,141. And while that may seem pricey, it's down 11% since the Brexit vote in June. Tokyo and Paris round out the top 5 most expensive cities. The next most expensive U.S. city, San Francisco, in the number 6 position. Brazil's Rio de Janeiro, currently in the spotlight due to the Olympic Games, closes out the list of the world's most expensive cities at number 20. Total costs to live and work in Rio are just $19,190, but costs have jumped 14% since December.